Brian West.
And I'm Kate Marinelli.
And today we're at Hoops for Heart.
There are 150 students participating today to raise money for the American Heart Association.
Donations are still pouring in, but we'll have a total for you guys at the end. Let me tell you though, these players are really putting their heart into it. See what I did there?
That was funny.
All right, guys, let's go check out the highlights and interview some of the players.
Hey Panini, don't you be a meanie. Thought you wanted me to go, why you tryna keep me teeny? It's a dreamy, wished it on a genie. I got fans finally, ain't you want?
All right, guys, I'm here with Matt Zadevsky. Matt, how are you feeling about your performance with your team today?
I feel like we're going to be doing very good. We only had one round so far. We're going to be doing a lot of cinching, a lot of hoisting, carry out that old DV wrestling family motto.
All right, thanks, Matt.
What you want from me? Just say to me what you want.
All right, guys, I'm here with John. John, how is your team doing today?
Good.
You tryna keep me teeny now they need me. Number one, I'm screaming, no, yeah, you used to love me, so what happened, what's the meaning? I thought you want this for my life, said you wanted to see me die.
I'm here with Austin. All right, how's your team chemistry doing today?
Well, the team's doing all right. I mean, we haven't played together before. We're not really basketball players, but we're doing okay for how we are so far.
I need to sit down, don't mean to make demands, but I need you to say to me what you want from me. Just say to me what you want from me.
I'm here with
David. John. Mike.
How's the team looking today, guys?
You know, we're pretty good. TJ Beeb's pretty terrible, but other than that, team's pretty solid.
Mr. Hagee, just a little secret between us. Who's your favorite team?
You know, let me take a look around. I don't know. But how about chicken noodle soup? Whoa, there we go.
Yeah. I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in.
I'm here with
Michael Gonzalez.
All right, Mike, what's your strategy for the game today?
Well, it was really all in the outfit, and we also just passed the ball to Ethan.
There you go.
Now they say they want some. I got two twin glocks, turn you to a dancer. I see two twin eyes, leave him on a band. And I got two, wanna link the game. I got red, I got blue, what you want? The Chanel, Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton. She know I got the Fendi Prada when I belong. I needed me
I'm here with
Ethan Kunzman.
How's your team doing today, Ethan?
We're doing pretty good.
Yeah, I heard they only passed the ball to you.
No, that's not true. We're a team here at DelVal.
But them don't know me, they just know the place I'm from. I got lots of shorties tryna pull up to my place, but you ain't want me last year, so just get up on my face. They all up in my inbox, so I know they wanna taste. I know they want my downfall, and are you lace? I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a fan, I know I'm about to blow, I ain't done. They try to take my floor,
I'm here with
Dan Hinzerick, Jared Taverniti.
And can you guys explain your outfit today?
Well, this is Steven Barna. He's the homecoming king. He's also a local legend.
I'm here with Mr. White. Mr. White, we're about at the halfway point. How's the competition looking?
Oh, it's outstanding today. First of all, the uniforms are fantastic. Right now we have Ball of Duty and Cockadoodle Hoops in the lead with the uniforms, and then the play is just fantastic. These kids really came to play. I'm pretty sure a lot of these guys have been practicing for weeks, getting their offensive game plans in order, and it really shows.
murdered for his force. Whoa. See, he just wanted a jump shot, but they wanted to start a cult, though. Didn't want to get caught. From Genesee Park to Othello, you get clown for those probings with the Velcro. Those were not tight. I was trying to fly.
I'm here with
Sebi.
All right, Sebi, and what are you wearing today?
Well, I got my bathrobe on, and I'm wearing my flamingo slippers in case I need to get in the game real quick, drop some threes, you know.
Gotcha. And how's your team doing today?
Oh, we doing amazing. We out here kicking butt.
Can you take me far away? Give me a star to reach for. Tell me what it takes, and I'll go so high. My feet won't touch the ground. This
want what we can't have. The commodity makes us want it. So expensive, I just got to flaunt it, got to show 'em. So exclusive.
I'm here with
Chase.
And Chase. How are the varsity wrestlers doing at basketball?
We're not doing bad. I think we're losing right now, but it's all right. We're gonna do better at the end in the tournament when it matters.
Look at what that swoosh did. See it consume my thoughts. Are you stupid? Don't crease them, just leave them in that box. Strangled by these laces, I can barely talk. That's my air bubble and I'm lost. If it pops, we are what we wear what we are. But see, I look inside the mirror and think.
Theo, congratulations on the win. How are you guys feeling?
Oh, we started out really bad, and like really bad. But we ended up 4-11, and we won the C bracket, and yeah.
I'm here with the team captain of
Blue Jams.
How you guys feeling about this win?
Very good. Very good. Happy with my team, how we played, all the hustle, everything. Very good.
Glad to hear it, man. Congratulations.
Thank you.
With the Velcro, those were not tight. I was trying to fly without leaving the ground, cause I wanted to be like Mike, right? Wanted to be him, I wanted to be that guy. I wanted to touch the rim, I wanted to be cool, and I wanted to fit in. I wanted what he had, America.
Hey guys, I'm here with the winning team, the YMCA. How's it feel to win, guys?
Yeah.
What are you guys gonna do like with your winning title?
We're going to Disney World!
Going to Disney World, I love it. I had a lot of fun watching them play basketball today. How about you, Brian?
Yeah, same. I mean, it was really great to watch. I mean, we raised over $4,000 and had a good time doing it.
Yeah, that's awesome. I mean, there was a lot of good basketball, there was a lot of bad basketball, but it's all for good cause anyway.
Yeah. Hey, guys, thanks for tuning in. Remember to tune in next time to DVTV. See ya.